This is gonna be the best okra soup ever. When I tell you I couldn't stop eating this soup, I couldn't stop. Yeah, stay tuned as I take you through the process. I get my whole baby okras from Superstore, and I usually get the Shana brand. I like them because they are fresh and green inside. So make sure it's the whole baby okras you're getting. So once I open the package, I'm going to rinse it in a sieve, and then I'm going to split it in 2 parts. The first part I'm going to blend lightly so that the okra seeds stay intact. The next batch I'm going to blend together with spinach. Now you can use whole spinach or chopped spinach. After you're done preparing your vegetables, you're going to put palm oil in a pot, and then you're going to fry your Iru locust beans. Then at this point, I like to put some grinded crayfish. I'll also proceed to fry my onions. Then I'll fry my pepper paste. Pepper paste is made from red bell peppers and habaneros. I'm going to blend this to medium texture, and then I'm going to fry all together. I will add bouillon cubes, salt, more crayfish, and a little bit of dry pepper. Once I taste it after 5 to 10 minutes and it tastes good, then I'm going to proceed to add my fish. Today I'm using Basa fish. You can basically use any protein of choice, so chicken, fish, or beef. From experience, I find that okra soup is better with seafood. We cook our vegetables for about 5 minutes. We're then going to add the shrimps. Today I'm using some large shrimps. My soup is almost ready, so I'm making my swallow as well. You can use fufu, pounded yam, or gari, any one of your choice. This soup was ready in about 30-45 minutes, and my god, was it so delicious. So delicious. So try yours and let me know how it went.